Hi there! Happy New Year! Welcome 2020. Actually, 2020 is special, not only because it's 2020, but because we have been in business now for 20 years. So happy New Year and happy 2020 to you and to us. Welcome, I'm Dori Suka, founder of InSPAration Management, and I am super excited to be with you this January to give you an overview of what we have coming on in the first month of this year. It is January and we are ready to rock and roll, and I hope that you are too. Well, for January, we came up, actually for this entire year, we came up with a theme for the year. And the theme of the year is to leap into multiple 7 figures. That's really my goal for this year, is to help you all not just make $1 million or 2, but really multiply it and take it to a whole new level. That's what our goal is for this year. So I'm super excited to be with you and to continue inspiration moments and in providing you with valuable content to help you with your business. So in the featured article, I figured this would be a great time actually to assess your last year's production and see what you did right and congratulate yourself on that, and what you need to improve in order to make 2020 the best year ever. So that's what is going on in the featured article. So make sure you go watch it or read it, whichever you prefer. And then in the bright idea, we're going to be talking about how to be more productive rather than busy. Many people, when you ask them, how are things going? Oh, so busy. I want you to start saying, I'm so productive instead. Because busy is one thing, productive is totally another. And if you want to step into the multiple 7 figures, then you definitely need to be productive and not busy. So that's what we're going to be talking about in the bright idea this month. And then in the Dori Recommends, again, if we want to do extraordinary results, then we need to get out of our comfort zone. And to get out of our comfort zone, we need to do things that we normally may not do. And one of those things is training the team. So I am launching a brand new series with the Recipes for Success Volume 2, and I'm going to dedicate this entire year to me providing you with ready-to-go training so you can help your team expand their knowledge, sharpen their skills, become better at what they do, so they can help you step into the millionaire circle and the multi-million 7 figures income. As a matter of fact, there's going to be a webinar also in this actual newsletter that you can go and watch that I did as a preview for the Recipes for Success, and it's titled How to Build a High Performing Team. So make sure you watch it so you can actually expand your knowledge on how to develop a high performing team. So that's what's going on in this newsletter. We have, of course, the Leap Ahead seminar coming up February 10th, 11th, and 12th. So if you have not reserved your seat yet, I think we only have a couple of slots available. So I hope to see you then. I just want to wish you a great and successful and healthy and prosperous new year from me and my entire team. So let's make it a great one. And stay tuned for the featured article. Until then, stay inspired.